Here's the thing, you can only win the game by using the law of detachment. The reason why I say this is because I've hit over 6 figures a year, all at the age of 20 and 21, by using the law of detachment, because I wasn't attached to a certain outcome. I wasn't forced to make something happen. I was just allowing it to happen when it happens. Because the reason why I say the law of attachment is so important is because so many people spend so much time trying to force situations to happen. Let's just think about that girl that you want, or maybe that business that you want, or even a client. Most people try and force that to happen. Whereas you got to sit back and realize the more you provide less energy, it's going to come to you. It's like, let's just say I chase a dog, or let's just say I chase a cat. The cat isn't going to want to come to you if you keep on chasing it. You're going to have to sit back. You're going to have to wait. You're going to have to play the game, maybe get some food, and start letting the attention draw in towards you. That's the thing. That's the thing that most people don't realize. Yes, obviously, the more you pursue, the more you attack. But the thing is, it has to be both ways. You can't just keep on attacking, and expect them to throw on this hell. That's not how life works. Yes, you can keep on attacking at certain different things. But let's just say, when it comes to running a business, let's just say getting a client, maybe moving forward, or something particularly important, or even getting that new partner that you want. You have to sit back, relax, allow it to happen. Thing is reason why I'm saying it, because I wouldn't have been as successful as I would have been if I didn't use the law of detachment. I wouldn't have had the girlfriend that I had if I didn't use the law of detachment. I wouldn't have got the lifestyle. I wouldn't have got the freedom. I wouldn't have been able to just basically, literally, just grab my phone, tap my card, spend it without even looking at whatever comes my way. I'm just like, okay, sweet, this is dinner, whatever. I'm just able to move forward. Thing is, as well, one of the most important things you can have is not having any attachment to money. I know, big concept, crazy. Imagine not having any emotionality towards money. The thing is, because all money is at the end of the day is just energy. And the thing is, the more energy you put out or put into something, the more energy you're going to get out of it. Let's just say you got a relationship. Let's just say you got a business and you just keep on working towards it. The more energy you put towards it, if it's reciprocal, that's completely fine. I understand that. Keep on putting energy towards it. Keep on moving forward. Keep on, dedicating your time, because then you're going to get the energy back, and let's just say more ways than one, whether it's the emotionality, whether it's the peace, whether it's getting the client, because you guys both want to work together, or let's just say even when it comes to content, comes to marketing. Obviously, I help you run a marketing agency. Pretty straightforward. I'm just the best marketer in Australia. I am the best marketer within Australia. It's that simple. If you guys want to learn how to market from the best marketer in Australia, click the link down below in the description, claim your free call. I've only got 5 slots left. 5 slots left for the rest of the month. Or if you guys want to, click the link below in the description, claim your free claim your free prime acquisition. Basically what it is the community and my course where I show you how to start running a profitable marketing agency through ads, through content, and actually how do you build up that success so that you can start those high ticket clients and actually, become successful. The thing is that a lot of people got to realize people are so focused on allowing and making the outcome to happen. It does not actually allow it to happen. It's like, let's just say, everything in my life has happened. Every great thing in my life has happened from me not expecting it. Whether it's, let's just say, let's just say if it's my horsey days, if you guys get what I'm saying. You know when you go to the TAB and that sort of stuff. Or let's just say when it goes to relationships. Like, I've had times in a relationship where I haven't even really cared, and then they've just ended up coming to me and being like, I love you so much, I'll do anything for you. I've literally had times where I've been stalked by multiple different girlfriends because I just literally been just sitting there been like, I'm just living my life, I'm just doing what I want to do, I'm just focusing on my business so then I'm able to move forward. Or even, let's just say, when it comes to money, one of my very first YouTube videos, my very, very first YouTube video made me $25,000. And my first set of ads, which was completely shithouse, made me 30 grand within a week. What does that tell you? I had no expectations. I copied off a basic framework, but also I came from a point of view of where I shall allow the outcome to be. I shall allow the outcome to happen. I don't force things to happen if it's not necessary. The only time when I force things to happen is if I know I'm at that breaking point, and I'm just like, hey, you know the time when you need to do a shitload more work, so you continually just move forward. Just keep on attacking it, keep on moving forward, and then you finally break through and hit that little bit of momentum. Then you just keep on, building it up more and more and more. That's the only time that I will push it. Generally, 9 times out of 10, I just let it be. Because when you come from a detached mind, you become from a mind of abundance. And I know it's kind of crazy. A marketing guy talking about abundance, but you got to realize that it's like having the right formulas, having the right strategies. It's also like me talking about this video. I don't have any like energy dedicated to making this video the best video out there. I know it's going to perform. I'm a G. I'm the best marketer in Australia. I can yap. I can talk. I can talk about anything for hours. That's just what I'm like. But the thing is, I know this video is going to do very well because it's raw. I've got no bullet points. It's just me yapping off the top of my mind. I don't have any distinct, outcome that I expect to happen. Or it's just going to continue to build up momentum. Cost literally going to pay me $1 million over the next 10, 20 years. It's like, one video teaching you on why you need to be detached from the outcome is then going to help you get the right mindset. So then you believe it is possible of you becoming the person who you want to be. Because the more you're detached, the more you can end up building that freedom. The thing is, once you're attached, you don't have any set values on anything. It's like when I was telling my mate the other day how much I made. It was like, he just didn't believe it. I'm just like, it's just pennies. It doesn't mean anything to me. It's just pennies. I'm just going to spend more money on education, spend more money on working with other agencies, spend more money on advancing my education forward. It's not going to change. The thing is, the more and more you move forward and the less and less you care about the outcome, the more and more likely it's going to happen. As I said, I can also provide you the other example. Look, I'm a 21-year-old from Australia. You can pretty much tell I'm a bit of a dick, but also I'm the top, I'm an absolute fucking G. But thing is that I also got my girlfriend. I had no expectations. Which just basically, that moment where you just feel right for something and it just ends up happening? That's the exact same situation of what happened. Or let's just say, for even like the first YouTube video. I knew internally it was going to do well. I just didn't have any expectation. I just yapped. I thought the video was like pure dog water, but it wasn't. It actually ended up being like a very, very good video that actually ended up producing me 25 grand worth of sales. Not complaining with that. Just me yapping to a camera like the one that I'm doing at the moment. But you people got to understand, the less you care, the more it will happen. It also reflects in the same way in your personal life and also when it comes to your job. The less effort you put in, the less expectations, the less outcomes, the less time and energy you spend into making things perfect or trying to construct the perfect outcome. Because as well, you've got to have enough faith. You've got to have enough belief in the ability of the world, in the ability of what's going on, in the ability of how the world is always going to play out in your favor. The thing is, I believe wholeheartedly God, the universe, whatever, is always going to play out in my favor because there's a bit of a running joke in our group, but it's a joke that basically my family got kissed in the dick by a fairy, which means we're extremely lucky. We always get what we want. We have no complaints. We look like we've got the dream life from the outside, but they don't also see all the time, all the energy, all the effort that goes into the back end of things. It's like currently I'm setting up a few other things at the moment. I can't disclose with you guys, which is going on. I've got more clients, I've got more staff, and it's like, bro, I'm only 21. I didn't expect this life was going to happen to me at 21. I expected to have a massively different life. I was maybe going to be a medical student, maybe going to be a lawyer. Like literally, I remember at the age of 16, I wanted to be a lawyer who worked in Manhattan. I literally wanted to be like Harvey Specter from Suits. But the thing is now, look where I'm at. I'm now the marketing guy. I'm now do this. I now have so many different avenues or ways to express my interest. It then allows me to increase that character while also like becoming the man who I still wanted to become as a kid, if that sort of makes sense. It's still allowing 16-year-old me to be proud of me, but also allowing current me to be like, oh yeah, well, I didn't do this, but this is honestly a better cards we're going to play. Because the thing is, you guys have to realize, life will always play you the best cards, whether you like it or whether you don't. You have to appreciate them enough and be like, thank you. Thank you. This is what I wanted. You got to come from a mindset of being grateful for the outcome, whether it's good, whether it's bad. You can always find good within the bad and the bad within the good. The thing is, you got to start treating your life that way. Let's just say you're in that terrible job. You can barely get by. You're stuck in that mindset of, hey, I want to get out. I hate this. I'm barely paying my bills. Think about it. Let's just say you randomly come across my video one day. You randomly. And also I help you. Maybe let's just say think differently. Maybe help you with getting more motivation or help you with moving forward more. The thing is, I could possibly do that, or you could just watch some other guy on YouTube, or let's just say maybe you find someone of Bob Proctor. I'm also a student of Bob Proctor, but, well, Jason Solomon, who's a mentee of Bob Proctor, long story short, absolute G, but like I'm a student of him. The reason why I allowed this to happen is because I allowed myself to sit back. I allowed myself to wait. I allowed myself to think and realize the more expectations I have on the world, the less it's likely to happen. And the less I expect to happen, the more likely the world is likely to play out in my favor. Like one of my very favorite lines from Suits, it's something like, I don't expect anything. Or like also another one I can provide is, let's just say, I wouldn't even remember it. But you don't have any expectations. You don't have any control of what happens outside of your own circle. So outside of your own world. So why are you expecting other people to conform into the way you think, the way you believe? It's like, if you think about it, why should I listen to you to tell me about how to sell? Why should I listen to you to tell me how to create content? You may be an absolute G at creating content. I don't know who you are. You've got no framework. You've got no standing in my eyes. Why should I listen to you? And it works the exact same way. Because let's just say someone in your world tells you what you need to do. Someone tells you, okay, how you need to move forward, how you need to attack, what you need to say, what you need to do, all that sort of stuff. And also the thing is, I've got to bounce the call in half now, so I'm just basically keeping on the time. But it's like, if they have no stance, if they have no holding within your life, why should you listen to them? And it works the exact same way. This is why I'm telling you, the law of detachment will make you extremely rich, like what it's done for me. As I said, I've made over 6 figures a year. I'm only 21. It's literally the only way you can win. It is seriously the only way you can win. Because when you start having no expectations, the world will start to play out the way that it needs to play out. And you're going to start to realize, hey, maybe this bad thing was something good. And also it allows you to change your mindset, maybe to be a bit more grateful, and then you start to be more attuned with reality. Then you start to be able to move forward. Then you start to create your own future. It's like as well, last year I got invited to Monaco. I literally got invited to Monaco last year. Couldn't go, but I was 20, got invited to Monaco. I'm probably going to be there in like 2 years, maybe less. But you get what I'm saying. You can allow your life to happen. You can allow your life to be set out. And let's just say, maybe you see the good things as bad and the bad things as good. You're better off doing that, because everything in life is a yin and yang. Everything in life is good and bad. But also allowing yourself to realize, I don't have any control over this. God's playing this the best I can. Or let's just say universe, whatever your belief is. I'm a person who believes in God. He's allowing me to play this the best I can. He's just going to help me move forward. He's given me what I need to happen. And let's just say, whether you came across this video, you never know. It's maybe just a meant to be. But yeah, that's it from me. I've got to bounce. And if I was you guys, I'd click the link below in the description, claim your free call. We could have a bit of a chat, see if we align. I've only got 5 people left for the month. Other than that, claim your free prime acquisition. Other than that, give this video watching the screen here, why Gen Z is cooked. And that's me. Sayonara, I'm out.